Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, so for today lesson, okay, we will be learning about 5.2. Okay, as you can see, 5.2 is about the solution and solubility. Okay, solution tu macam dengan liquid. Okay, solubility tu adalah kemampuan untuk solution tu dissolve macam tu. Okay, tapi kita tak, kalau kamu tengok, okay, kita ada lebih kurang 5 learning objective. Okay, 5.21 sampai 5.2.5. Okay, tapi untuk hari ini kita akan cuba untuk nak habiskan 5.21 and 5.2.2. Okay, kalau sempat kita boleh cuba habiskan untuk 5.2.3. Okay, so first, okay, what you need to know is 5.2.1 is the first learning objective. Okay, explain with examples, solute, solvent, and solution. So there are 3 things that you must remember. So you must know the definition for each one of the word. Okay, solute is the substance that dissolve in solvent. Okay, solute ni selalunya dalam bentuk solid lah. Solvent is a substance, okay, usually in the form of liquid that does dissolving the solute. And solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. Okay, jadi maksudnya secara ringkas, solute plus solvent dia akan jadi solution. So kita akan tengok example supaya kamu lagi faham. Okay, so this is the first example, sugar solution. So sugar is the example of solute. Solvent is the example of water. And when it dissolves together, sugar and water, it will become a sugar solution. Next is salt. Okay, salt is example of the solute, and water is the example of the solvent. And when we mix together the salt and water together, and when we dissolve it together, it will becoming a salt solution. Okay, so that was the some of the example of solution. Okay, so however, solution can be classified into 3 categories, okay, based on their concentration. Okay, for example, yang color kuning ni, okay, dilute solution, okay, contains a little dissolved solute. Dilute tu maksudnya dia tak berapa tepung. Okay, dilute dia masih lagi dalam keadaan cair. Concentrated, pekat. Okay, concentrated tu maksudnya pekat. Saturated maksudnya dah tepung, dah penuh. Maksudnya bila kita tambah lagi solute. Contohnya bila kita tambah sugar, kita tambah lagi salt, the salt and sugar cannot be dissolved anymore. Jadi maksudnya solution tu telah menjadi saturated solution. Okay, and the similarities that you must remember between these three different category of solution, all of these solution have a clear appearance. Okay, bila kita cakap berkenaan dengan solution, okay, dalam kamu punya syllabus form 2, okay, bila kamu pergi syllabus yang lagi tinggi lagi, dia akan ada maksud yang lain lah. Tapi untuk kamu punya syllabus sahaja, okay, solution dia mesti ada clear appearance. Okay, apa yang dimaksudkan dengan clear? Maksudnya the light can pass through. Okay. Maksudnya clear lah. Okay, macam dengan air putih tu. Okay. Okay, and the next one, okay, 5.2.2, factors affecting solubility rate. Okay, there are 3 factors that affecting the solubility rate. Okay, the first one is temperature. Okay, rate of stirring. Okay, stirring ini kacau. Okay, temperature. Okay, as the temperature increases, as the temperature increases, the solubility rate will be increases. Rate of stirring, okay, as the rate of stirring increases, the solubility rate also will be increases. Size of solute particle, okay. Kalau temperature and rate of stirring meningkat, solubility rate dia akan meningkat. Tapi untuk size of solute particle, semakin besar size of solute particle, semakin slow ataupun lambat solubility rate. Okey, kamu cuma bayangkan kamu ambil gula. Okey, gula yang dalam bentuk cube dengan gula yang dalam bentuk serbuk. Okey, yang mana yang paling cepat sekali untuk dissolve? Okey, mestilah gula yang dalam bentuk serbuk. Okey, gula yang dalam bentuk cube dia lambat sikit. Okey, sebab dia punya size besar. Okay, next kita nak tengok what are suspensions. Okay, suspensions are mixtures in which insoluble particles are suspended in liquid or gas. Okay, itu adalah maksud suspension. Okay, kalau solution tadi, okay, solution adalah soluble particle that can dissolve. But for suspension is a insoluble particle. Particle yang tak boleh dissolve tapi dia akan suspend. Maksudnya dia akan berada di tengah-tengah di antara liquid ataupun gas contohnya. Okay, how do you create a suspension? Okay, example, sand. Okay, sand cannot dissolve in water, right? And you mix with the water. Okay, so dia akan jadi sand water suspension. Okay, itu adalah maksud suspension. Okay, macam dengan kamu ambil apa lagi selain daripada sand, batu contohnya, apa-apa lagi yang tak boleh dissolve dalam water. Bila kita campur dengan solvent, for example water. Okay, bila the solute does not dissolve in the solvent, okay, bila solute tu tak dissolve dalam air, maka dia akan jadi dikategorikan sebagai suspension. Okay. Okay, these are the properties of suspension. So there are 3 properties that you must remember. Non-homogeneous. Okay, all particles in the mixture are not evenly distributed. Okay, tak sama dengan solution. Kalau solution, the particle of the solute are evenly distributed. Okay, tapi untuk suspension, particle tu solute does not evenly distributed. Kalau kamu macam ambil pasir, kamu campur dengan air, lebih banyak pasir yang akan berada di bahagian bawah. Okey, sebabkan tarikan graviti. Okey, berbanding dengan di bahagian atas solvent tersebut. Okey. Okay, solute and solvent separate when left to stand. Okay, solute particle mostly sink to the bottom of the container. Okay, and light is unable to pass through completely. Okay, dia sama juga macam dengan bila kamu bancuh air melo. Okay, air melo pun boleh dikategorikan sebagai suspension. Okay, bila kamu ambil air melo, kamu tinggal lama-lama, air kamu akan nampak akan ada residue. Okay, akan ada dia punya mendakan. Okay, sebabkan light cannot pass through the air melo, jadi air melo tu dikategorikan sebagai suspension. Okay, so these are the example of suspension. Okay, Milo drink, coffee, tea with milk, salad dressing. Okay, selalunya suspension dia mesti not clear. Light cannot pass through. Okay, and the next one is the colloid. Okay, colloid is the mixtures with solute particle between 1 and 100 nanometer in diameter. Particle able to remain suspended, okay, throughout the solvent. Okay, for example, milk, smoke, gelatin, and foam. Apa bezanya antara suspension dengan colloid? Okey, kalau untuk suspension, okay, the solute particle, the particle are not evenly distributed. But for colloid, okay, tengok saya punya cursor ni, the particles are very tiny and the particles are evenly distributed in the another substance. Okay, for example, okay, kalau kamu kita ambil substance A, liquid, campur dengan gas, okay, dia akan jadi fog, kabus, hairsprays, clouds, okay, solid, dia akan jadi gas dengan solid, dia akan jadi smoke, air particles, okay, liquid dengan gas, okay, dia boleh jadi whipped cream, shaving cream. Jadi maksudnya these particles are evenly distributed. Maksudnya distribute, okey, dibahagi sama rata dalam substance tersebut. Okey. Emulsion between liquid and liquid, solid and liquid, okey, between akan menghasilkan paint ataupun pigmented ink, okey, macam yang kamu guna untuk nak buat kelas seni semua tu. Solid and gas, okey, dia akan hasilkan styrofoam, liquid and solid, okey, gelatin, jelly, solid and solid adalah cranberry glass, maknanya sangat keras lah. Okay, so this is the general differences, okay, between solutions, suspensions, and colloids. Okay, solution is a homogeneous mixture when two or more substances are dissolved together. Okay, colloid contains particles that are in between sizes. They do not separate into layers. Okay, suspension is a heterogeneous. Okay, maksudnya dia insoluble. For example, sand and water, Milo, air teh, semua tu adalah kategori sebagai suspension. Okay, colloid ni kamu ingat macam dengan air susu, agar-agar, kabus, semua tu adalah example of colloids. Okay, solution simple. Okay, sugar solution, salt solution. Dah mesti clear lah solution. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, 5.2.4 kita akan sambung next class ya.